This video tutorial I will cover now methods of ZonedDateTime class. Here I have defined a class ZonedDateTime I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created clock object. Then I am calling now method of ZonedDateTime class and passing clock object. This method returns current date and time based on the specified clock. Here I have created ZonedID object. Then I am calling now method of ZonedDateTime class and passing ZonedID. This method returns current date and time according to this specified ZonedID.